Viewers, if you know these 20 phrases, you can speak English fluently. So, guys, here are the list of 20 useful phrases that can help you sound more natural and confident when you speak English. So, the first phrase is how's it going? It's an informal way to ask how are you. If you want to ask how are you, you can say that how's it going. It sounds more good instead of saying how are you. The next phrase is what have you been up to? It's mean a casual way to ask what someone has been doing recently. Then you can say that what have you been up to if you want to ask. The next phrase is I'm just looking thanks. This phrase is mostly used while you are shopping. You can use this phrase in shops, useful in shops when you don't need help of anyone. You can simply say that I'm just looking thanks. The next phrase is could you help me please? It's a polite way to ask for help from someone. Then you can say that if you want someone help, you can say that could you help me please? The next phrase is that sounds good. You can use this phrase if you are approving someone's suggestions and you are agree with someone. Then you can say that sound good. The next phrase is I'm not sure. You can say that when you are not agree with someone, then you can simply say that I'm not sure. The next one is I don't understand. It's mean if you are not understanding someone point and you are, then you can simply say that I don't understand. Okay, the next one is what do you mean? It's mean you are asking for someone about clarifying their point. You can say that what do you mean you are not understanding what he's saying, yeah, what she is saying. So you can say that what do you mean ask for clarification. The next phrase is could you say that again? It's mean if you don't catch someone's point and you are not understanding what someone's saying, then you can say that could you say that again? The next phrase is nice to meet you. You can use this phrase when you meet someone first time. Then you can say that politely and simply nice to meet you. And the next phrase is I'm sorry I didn't catch that. It's mean you are not understanding someone point. Then you simply can say that I'm sorry I didn't catch that. And the next phrase is let me think about it. It's mean give me some time to consider and to understand what you are saying. So you can say that let me think about it. The next one is I'd like to. It's mean I want to. A polite way to express what you want to do. Mean I like to order the chicken, I like to order the pizza, I like to want to go with you. So it's a simple way to express your agreement, or you can say that I'd like to. The next one is that's a good point. It's mean used in discussions to show agreement or understanding. If you are agree with someone point, then you can say that that's a good point. The next one is I see what you mean. It means show empathy and understanding. You are saying I see what you mean. And the next phrase is it's not a phrase, it's just a word. Exactly. It's mean if you are strongly agree with someone, and then you can say that exactly I'm agree with you, exactly you are right what you are saying. So this word you can use exactly when you are agree with someone. And the next phrase is what do you think? It's mean if you are involved in conversation with someone or in decision, then you want to take a point of next person, then you are asking about their point. Then you can say that what do you think about this topic, about this opinion. You want to take opinion of next person, then you can say that what do you think. Next phrase is I'm looking forward to it. It's mean if you are excitement about something in the future and expressing your agreement, and you are saying yeah I'm looking forward to it, mean I maybe I will do this in future. So you can use this phrase. according to this situation. The next phrase is it depends. It's a short word you mostly use in your conversation. It's mean when the answer change based on the situation, mean according to situation your opinion if change, and your mind can change, then you can say that it depends. And the last phrase is take care. Take care mean a friendly way to say goodbye to someone. So guys, if you like my video and found informative, then please like my videos, subscribe my channel and share with your friends for more informative content. Thanks for watching and stay connected. Allah Hafiz.